Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Road rage on a whole other level. I could see the phone glued to her ear as she blew through the red light. The real idiot was in the red car, following the bikes who just drove around them while they were still lying in the road. Well, he ended up moving, I guess.
You gotta move, man. No, don't go. What the is wrong with you?
I thought you needed a license to drive e-scooters. Just imagine what would happen if the brakes don't work at that moment. How do these people even get their driver's license?
Okay. What are we doing here?
This idiot nearly hit my car by blowing through the yield sign and almost running the intersection.
A few moments later.
All right, buddy.
What the? Jesus Christ. What the? Jesus Christ.
That's definitely one way to pass someone, right? This is why I always tell new drivers to assume everyone around them is dumb.
"12 seconds later.
Broken down car, no hazard lights on, and she's standing outside next to the car with her young child. I think the Prius driver thought they had a stop sign and caused an accident.
I'm going to do one of the first acts, and this is where I need an Elon Musk. I need somebody that has a lot of strength and courage and smarts. I want a closed-up Department of Education.
Also, just a callback to something we flagged on our Love It episode. There literally seem to be calling for the demolition of the United States and global.
This idiot ran a stop sign and hit my wife this morning. When your best friends accidentally meet you on the highway,
Always these guys that live out in the middle of freaking no. What the Jesus Christ, man.
these Kansas FedEx drivers intentionally almost hit my car to bully their way into the exit lane. If only there was a feature that let me turn around legally. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.